2-week series, I'm going to show you my 14 favorite stitches to do while binge watching your favorite TV show or your favorite Netflix series or Amazon Prime or HBO or Stars or Hulu. The list goes on and on. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, grab your remote, and probably a drink, and let's dive right in. Okay, everybody, it is day 13 of this fabulous 2-week binge-worthy crochet stitches series. So I have 2 left. I have one for today and one for tomorrow. So today's stitch is called the ripple stitch, and I love this stitch. This is, I want to say, a stitch that I hadn't done before. But when I was looking through and doing some research on binge-worthy stitches, I came across this stitch and I tried it and I fell in love with it. So it's just so pretty. It's pretty. I just love how it almost looks like little boxes. It's almost like an inverted waffle. I don't know how to describe it. It's just pretty. I just love it. So this is called, like I said, the ripple stitch, and I found this this tutorial on Maisie and Ruth. See if I can get that up there so you can see it. So this was Maisie and Ruth, the ripple stitch, and it really was pretty simple. So you do 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then you skip 2 and do the same thing again. 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2. It's just the same thing over and over and over again. And I loved it. It was so easy and so fun, and it just made such a pretty, pretty pattern. I love it. Love it. So totally going to be using this one in the future. I think this was my favorite one of my new discoveries. Really liked it a lot. So let me know what you think. Have you ever done this stitch? Have you ever been to Maisie and Ruth's channel? Check it out if you haven't. The link's in the description box below to all of these stitches. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I am. I hope you're binge watching this series while crocheting. That's what I really like. Binge watch some whippy chick crochet. You'll get all kinds of ideas. All right, everybody, I will see you tomorrow for another and the last fabulous binge-worthy crochet stitch. And until then, have a great, great day. Bye-bye.